Hello, my name is Marina. I live in the UK and I'm a lawyer. I have this hard drive where I stored all my data, especially photos, some music, and documents. So I could not access the documents and the photos anymore. I tried on several computers, but I mean it just wouldn't show. So it was quite distressing because all the photos, it's been like for all the photos that I took over the years, and they were not saved anywhere else. So I checked online to find a service, and I found Pete's Data Recovery Services. So I gave them a call, and they were very helpful, very nice. So I brought my hard drive, and they found that indeed it was broken, but the data could be recovered. They did it. So they explained that if they couldn't recover, they wouldn't be paid. But they recovered all the data. They showed me, and I can see that all the photos, especially the photos, are all there. So I'm very happy about that. So thank you very much, Pete.